Hi there, it's Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. Today we're going to make a granite piece called Napoli. It's going to look like this, and I have a lot of spray paint going in this. So today I will be wearing a mask, so I will not be telling you what's going on as the video is going. We'll probably play music or something, but I got all these spray paints going in, and then I also got copper and coffee, actually gold and coffee metallics from Stone Coat. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to put all my paint out here on my substrate, and then later on we'll be putting the epoxy down. Alright, we're back. We got all the paint on here, and I gotta find an easier way to do it. That took way too long, but it looks great. It was well worth it, but I bet you there's an easier way, and if you're watching this video, you know an easier way, leave a comment for me, because I'd love to learn it. But I got the Stone Coat epoxy mixed it for 2 minutes, and we're gonna dump this out and spread it. And I know on the video it won't be as long as what I spent on doing this, but that was a lot of work. So we're going to spread this out by hand because I got the fresh paint on here. I don't want to scratch it with my Knox trowel. Alright, now it's time for torching it, get these air bubbles out. am not going to bore you with 2 more times of getting the bubbles out with the torch. This is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.